In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a priority field in an issue in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to enhance your project management skills, understanding how to customize your workspace is crucial. So let's dive into this process step by step. To begin, make sure you're on your Jira homepage. This is your central hub where you'll navigate to all your projects and tasks. Once you've confirmed that, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see the Projects tab there. Go ahead and click on it, which will reveal a list of all the projects you're currently working on. From this list, choose the specific project you want to modify by clicking on its name. Now that you're viewing your chosen project, your next task is to find the List tab. It should be visible within the project interface. Give it a click to access the detailed view of your project's issues and tasks. In this list view, you'll notice a series of columns, each representing different data fields for your issues. The key step here involves adding a new field to this view. To do this, move your mouse pointer between the existing columns at the top of the list view. As you do this, keep an eye out for a plus button to appear. This button is the gateway to customizing your data fields, so once you see it, click on it. Clicking this plus button opens up a drop-down menu showcasing a variety of available field options that you can add to your list view. What you want to do here is select the priority field from the list. This feature is important because it allows you to assign and manage the urgency of different issues within your project effectively. After you've selected the priority field, you'll notice that it is automatically added to your list view. This means you can now interact with this new column to set and adjust priorities for each issue as needed. This capability is invaluable in optimizing how tasks are handled, ensuring that your team focuses on what matters most first. In conclusion, adding a priority field to your issue tracking system in Jira is a straightforward yet powerful enhancement to your project management toolkit. By following these steps, you're not just adding a piece of data, you're equipping your team with the means to better prioritize and organize their workload. This can lead to more efficient workflows and ultimately more successful project outcomes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most out of your Jira experience.